fucking pointed.
All DPS on the rapier. I'm switching drones to rapier right now.
I'm
Switching up with you.
I'm gonna pounce him.
Okay.
Oh, it's forgot to repair. Oh my god.
Oh,
He's off.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Typical.
you didn't get him?
No.
How?
He warped. How the fuck you think?
You didn't warp to the planet he was warping to?
Yeah, that's exactly what I did. So it was close enough that he was able to get out of warp, saw me, warp away.
Interesting.
They have a small system.
Yeah, interesting.
Damn.
There's a harpy out.
Oh god.
Can they kill a harpy in a flycatcher?
Yeah, you can kill a harpy. Maybe. A Kieran undocked. Interesting, I'll kill the Kieran.
Sleipnir?
Cool.
Nice.
Slepsin.
Yep.
I'm here with the jogger.
Yeah, bring it in already.
Okay.
Can I grab Slep?
I'm gonna open to JK.
Zuin.
Zuin, warping.
I'll pull this harpy away.
Sister chords in 2.
Kieran's off.
Point harpy. Do you have the
You can
sled?
grab the jogger. I'm gonna grow back for the sub right now, but
Okay.
I thought you were going for
I'm
that.
grabbing sled.
Slicer?
There's a slicer right up, so. Oh, shit, the slicer.
Get the harpy again? It's gonna hurt.
I'm shooting the harpy now.
I'm gonna probably splash you.
Kieran's back.
Bubbling one last time. Bringing that up on him.
Got the heat away from the slap. He hurts.
Like a G. Potted. So up to down.
What do you have tackled?
I have
Is
the
it
harpy.
working?
Sorry, I have the sled.
I'm gonna table.
Ooh, I'm taking a lot of damage. I need to pull a rain. I might need to leave.
What's hitting you?
Drones, mostly, I think. Ooh, spicy.
I killed the Imperial Navy Slicer.
Okay. I'm turning back around. I'm stabilized.
Damn, someone's hitting me real hard.
Do we still have a slot?
No.
Okay, I'll go for a slot.
You need to defang these.
I'm taking care of these wars.
I've slept again. I'm shooting the Kieran.
Yep. I lost the flycatcher. Wait, no, not yet.
Web on Harpy.
Cool. DPS unit. I have point on slot.
Can we point Harpy? Oh, it's just us. Oh,
I have it pointed, but
Okay.
I need to kill these warriors.
okay.
Harpy blaster pit?
Yes.
Box breaking. Maybe. God damn. It was a good fight. I don't know if we're gonna break this lip though.
Yeah, we can break it.
Can I do? I'm gonna pull into occult range, I think.
DNI out. DNI.
Okay.
Application? No, range. Alright. So I can come. I'm gonna kill that last drone.
I got it. A rapier.
We have to kill the rapier first.
Mm-hmm. I'll let you know when he
We
works.
have more DPS coming. I'm gonna bring out bad.
DNI warps. Rapier warps.
What do you have for DPS?
I'm gonna bring
Zeros?
Orthus. I'm gonna bring Orthus.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab the rapier if I can.
I'm logging in.
Rapier's closed.
It's burning straight for me. Watch your jogger.
Yeah. Yikes.
Range damp on the rapier.
His web.
I'm gonna have to pull off.
Yeah, pull.
Fuck, I'm pointed.
All DPS on the rapier. I'm switching drones to rapier right now.
I'm gonna die.
Switching application. Switch to application on the rapier.
Yep.
I have web on him.
Is it 2-1? Yeah, 2-1. Bring Orthros.
Is there an effect?
I'm gonna lose
Also.
this too. If we don't get
Also.
here, we don't have enough.
He's
Yeah.
repping.
Rapier healed.
British Navy.
Fuck.
We did not bring enough. Thought we were bringing more.
What do you have on field that's about to die, and what do you need?
It's
It's
a
Phantasm.
Phantasm.
Not gonna live long enough for me to get there.
Maybe. I'm pulling away. This rapier's hurting.
I'm in warp to stealth bot right now.
D9 warps. Or B9.
I got your armor up and damage control.
I have rapier webbed.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Alright, laying into rapier. Point rapier.
He's down.
Okay.
D9.
DNI.
Drake Navy.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna lose this.
What's chasing you?
DNI, they're both sitting on me.
Point on DNI.
Dead.
Fuck.
We did not respond well at all.
It's alright, we're still fighting, right?
Yep.
Let's finish it up.
Riddick's rails are
No, blaster. That's what killed me.
So I have to pull a little.
Sister Core's in home.
What do we have point on?
I have DNI.
Okay.
left side.
That would have been the
Spare
best
points.
in the hold.
BNI.
Do we have BNI and DNI?
That's all
Yes.
that's here right now.
BNI's
That's-
right.
Who could I warp to?
Fable.
You're not in 2-1.
Yes, he is.
Or sorry, fuck. B junkies. BNI's burning down for me actually. Careful if you are.
I'm webbing.
BNI's TD'd, so.
A point on the BNI.
Slept near Bifrost out.
Okay. Get ready to scram that Bifrost. I'll
Okay.
zap it.
Yeah.
Did you say you looted my Rex Zeros?
Yeah.
Cool.
I had a point on BNI. We have DNI, right? It's going down.
Yeah, DNI. Slept near Warpin.
Is the Loki on D? Is that ours?
Yeah, look, it's me. Look, it's me.
Okay.
I'm staying cloaked until telling me.
Cool.
We grab that
Bifrost.
Bifrost.
I can point him, I can't scram him though.
Need
I got
to
it.
scram.
Scrammed. Finish off the DNI, kill the Bifrost.
Yeah.
I don't know where that slip went.
I'm now scrammed. I'm gonna lose the stiletto.
What's hitting you?
BNI. I'm fine.
Nice.
Right. He's TD to help.
I can also web him if you
Yeah.
need.
I still have the Bifrost scrammed. I just have to keep transversal on the BNI and I'm fine. Okay. Got picture on the capsule. I now have the BNI scrammed. Can someone kill this warrior? It's the only thing
Yes.
actually doing damage to me.
Yep.
I got it.
If they have eyes in 2, they're probably not going to fight.
I don't think they do.
It's down.
Thank you. I'm like untouchable by the Brutix. He doesn't have me locked.
Salting. I don't think they're bringing anything.
He's trying to
else.
kill me again.
You can push off if you want. I have him scrammed. Or does he have you scrammed?
He's got me scram, but I'm fine. He let go of me. I'm fine.
Okay.
He can't actually hit me. He tried to swing and it didn't work.
These are the guys that were always complaining they're not good enough to fight us. And they picked up a Phantasm and a Dragger.
He's scrambling a Hornet.
Are those ECs active?
That's it's fine. Oh, that's what's happening. You're jamming him.
Yeah, he's TD, so.
So they brought a rapier and that's what fucked you guys up, the webs.
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is like one ship just fucks everything up. To bring the right tool.